Hello and welcome to Tip Topic Kitchen. Ramadan Mubarak. So I take the ground turkey and the rest of the items. I took the chopped onion with coriander leaf and kebab spices, and I want to add this new kinds of green chili paste. It is Moroccan green pepper sauce. I like it very much. So it's a new one I added in my the recipe so that the taste will be boosted. And definitely along with this thing, I like to add ginger garlic paste. So these are the all ingredients. Now I will mix all the ingredients with this ground turkey. Then I will show you how you will make the kebab roll. I mean the feasting kebab with the fish along with the. So now see that I added all the ingredients in a bowl, and now I will give the shape of the kebab. Definite choice how you want to make it. So if you make a fish kebab with pressing inside the fist, the kebab will look like this. Now I'm going to show you. Just I open it. All the kebab is already steamed. I'm closing it up for a moment, and I'll be back when it will be ready. It will give you an extra taste, extra mileage in the kebab you are making. It's awesome. I can smell. Oh my god, I'm fasting, so I cannot taste right now, but definitely when I will break my fast and I will have it, you will get the exact the feedback of a very hungry person. So till then, I'm showing you the final stage, how it look like. I'm plating it, then I'm gonna show actually how it look like. Hello everybody, Ramadan ul Mubarak. Today is the first day of Ramadan. So in the first day we arrange various kinds of iftar. So I'm gonna show you to my table, so what I am having in my iftar. So first I made the soup. This is a Thai soup, and inclusive the chicken and the shrimp along with some vegetables. The second, I make a platter of the fruits. There is grape, there is a date and dragon fruits. Along with, I made some homemade jalebi. And third one, this is all kinds of fries are here. So this is a chickpea curry, and this is the eggplant fries, and we make another kind of fritters with multiple grains like the lentils and so many things. And this is, I made the kebabs. This kebab is a very delicious with the saffron rice. I make the saffron rice and the kebab are here. And generally we prefer two kinds of drinks here. One is this is called the ruabja. It's a very traditional iftari drinks, and along with I kept it here is a green multivitamin juice. It is a very energetic for us. And this is our traditional food. It's called halim. Halim is made from chicken or beef, but today I made it from chicken. My husband actually made it, and this is really very good taste. And finally we make a dessert. It's a kind of vermicelli. So this is the iftar we are going to have it, and this is a very small Deshi feel. I mean, this is totally my country traditional iftar, and we love it. So in a nutshell, I call this iftar is a mini Bangladesh iftar. So till then, bye. We are waiting for the iftar, and I will get back to you very shortly with another new video. Till then, keep watching on my channel and subscribe my channel. And if you like it, don't forget to like my channel. Bye.